These types of simple animations take hours if you do them manually. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can create them using AI. First, we'll create map animations for any location in the world you want. Then we'll create motion graphics for editors with the accuracy of text. Lastly, we'll create educational exercise animations. I've also prepared a document containing all the prompts that you need, so let's start. First, let's create map animations. Open Google Maps. Search for the spot that you have to show. I've chosen Eiffel Tower for this video. At the bottom left side, enable satellite mode. Then in More, disable labels. Take a screenshot of the wider image. Then zoom in. This time take a screenshot with the names and labels. Once you have the necessary images, open Flow. Upload the wider screenshot. For prompts, you'll get this document in the description containing all the prompts. Copy this first prompt and paste the prompt. In Settings, set the size to 16:9 and choose Nano Banana Pro as the model. It's Pro but still uses 0 credits. This prompt is specialized to remove the unnecessary items and make the image clean. As you can see, all the UI elements, labels, and watermarks are removed, leaving only the clean satellite imagery. Next, upload the zoomed screenshot. For this, there's another prompt. While using these prompts, we have to change the bold yellow mention location into our location. Right now it says United States, but we have to change it to Paris. This prompt will color the landmass of the location. Once generated, you'll see the landmass of Paris highlighted in solid red, with a clean label placed over it. The last step is adding a 3D model of the Eiffel Tower. Copy the third prompt and use it in Flow. Change Statue of Liberty to Eiffel Tower and US to Paris. This prompt will add a 3D model on the map. You can see the Eiffel Tower model is now placed at the correct location on the map, with cinematic lighting and shadows. Now the last prompt is to animate the images. In Settings, switch to Video. Choose Frames. Drag the wide zoom image into the start frame, and drag the 3D model image to the last frame. Paste the animation prompt, but change the locations. Hit Generate. This prompt will add the necessary transitions. The camera zooms in smoothly from the wide satellite view all the way to the Eiffel Tower popping up dynamically on the map. Now let's generate these types of motion graphics. Here's the master prompt. You just have to change the highlighted points with your text that you want on the image. Paste it into Flow, same Nano Banana Pro model. Enter your text in the prompt and hit Generate. This prompt is specialized to generate modern graphics with accurate text. As you can see, the text is 100% accurate and the layout looks clean and professional. Next, copy this second prompt, which is universal, meaning you don't have to change anything. Add the image to the prompt and paste the prompt. This will remove all the foreground elements, and you'll get a clean background only. You can see the text boxes, connector lines, and glow effects are completely gone, leaving just the dark gradient background. Now the last step is animating them. Copy the last animation prompt. In Settings, switch to Video. Drag the background image as the first frame and drag the second image as the last frame. Paste the animation prompt. Here you just have to enter the last element text and hit Generate. You'll see the text boxes fade in one by one. The connector lines draw themselves smoothly, and the final box settles into place with a professional easing motion. The modern animations are ready. Now let's create educational exercise animations. In the third section, there are prompts for it. Switch to Image. Enter the prompt. Here we have the basic mannequin image. It's a smooth, single-color matte mannequin with athletic proportions on a dark gradient background. Then copy the second prompt. Add the image to the prompt and use this prompt. This prompt will add a red glow to the specific muscle. This prompt was for the forearm muscle. As you can see, a soft red glow appears inside the forearm area, indicating muscle activation. If you want to change it, go to ChatGPT. Enter the prompt and type, "Change this prompt. I want chest to be highlighted." You'll get the prompt for the chest. If you use this new prompt, the chest will have a red glow. Then in the last, we have the animation prompt. Drag the image as a frame and use the animation prompt. You'll see the arm curl upward in a smooth, controlled motion, with the red muscle glow intensifying as the movement progresses. There we have smooth animation videos. That was it. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel.